Okay, here is an example that's a little bit like the one you're just looking at there. In this problem, they're telling you how many grams of the material you're looking at. So I'm going to make up a new material. I'm not going to use HBr like the one in the example you're doing. I'm going to use, let's do H2O. Okay, let's do H2O. So let's say there's 180 grams of H2O. And the question is, how many moles is that? Right? That's what it's asking. It's saying you're going to produce this amount of HBr. How many moles is that? Same thing. Suppose we produce 180 grams of H2O. How many moles is that? Okay, here's how you do the conversion. If you have the number of grams of something and you want to get to moles, you divide by the molar mass. If you want to go back the other way, if you want to go from moles to grams, you multiply by the molar mass. So you got to find the molar mass first, so let's do that. Let's find the molar mass. Here's how you find molar mass. You take your chemical formula. This means that there's 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, H2O. And then you look up their atomic masses in the periodic table. So you look up H and you look up O. The atomic masses are here. Those are the numbers you want to use. So let's find the molar mass. There's 2 hydrogens, so 2 times 1.01, and the units are grams over moles. And then there's 1 oxygen. So remember, you're using these numbers, grams per mole. So that comes out to 18.02 grams per mole. That's the molar mass. And then come back over here. If you want to go from grams to moles, you divide by the molar mass. Okay? So we have, let's go back to the original number, 180 grams of water. And we're going to divide that by the molar mass. Now I'm going to show you how to divide. What you do is you write it this way. 18.02 grams, and then you put 1 mole over here. Because this really means 18.02 grams divided by 1 mole. But we're saying we're going to divide it by. So you're going to put the 18.02 down here and the 1 mole up here. And so if you do this arithmetic, 180 grams, try this on your calculator, right? You should be going through this example on your calculator. 180 divided by 18.02. Let me show you how I would do that. 180 divided by 18.02, and it's 9.9889. I'm going to round that to 9.99. So that'd be 9.99. And look what happens to the units. Grams are gone and you got moles. Okay? So you could do exactly the same thing with your HBr problem. Works exactly the same way.